Hey, play fam, my fam, we all fam. What up? Hey, y'all, we got some new Lay's chips. Big shout out to Lay's. Big shout out to Trophy. Y'all, we have spicy crayfish flavor. All right, listen, right? I know I say crayfish, but what we got to understand is the people in the north say crayfish. The people in the south say crawfish. I know I'm supposed to be born from the south because I want to say crawfish so bad. I do not want to say crayfish. I want to say crawfish. But the bag says spicy crayfish flavor. Let's get into it. Big shout out to Lay's. Definitely smells spicy. Definitely smells like crawfish. Yeah. Hold up. Let me get a plate. Touch my spicy crawfish flavor. You're going to be down outside with your fishing pole in the water looking for the crawfish and the daughter. Mine be on point. They can't fault me. They be on point. There it is. We have crayfish flavored. Spicy crayfish flavored. And I'm from the north, but I want to say crawfish. Let's go. All right. Off the top, they are good. I taste that smoky flavor. I can taste the crawfish, the whole nine. It's just real fishy for some chips. It's real fishy for some chips. But 7 out of 10. Easy. I'll buy them again. Don't see them, I'll buy them again. Shout out Lay's and Trophy. Let's go!